DEPSTECH Endoscope Camera with Light, FHD Borescope Inspection Camera with Bluart 3.0 Tech, 7mm Slim Probe, 16.4 feet Semi-Rigid Cable, IP67 Waterproof Snake Camera for iOS Smartphone, Cool Gadget for Men, Shooting Modes Underwater, Color Black, Zoom Type Digital Zoom, Water Resistance Level Waterproof, Connectivity Technology Lighting, Unparalleled Illumination with Bluart 3.0 Tech, Experience Enhanced Visibility with Bluart 3.0 Tech, featuring 6 adjustable LED lights. Enjoy wide FHD, field of view and manually adjustable focus from 0.79 to 3.93 inches to 210 centimeters. For crystal clear image quality, the NTC53 endoscope camera sets the gold standard for professional inspections, unbeatable connectivity, and 5th-gen chip powered by a 5th-generation chip. This borescope ensures ultra-stable connectivity. It's a breeze to connect to iOS 12.0 plus devices except for iPhone's 15 series. Simply plug it into iPhone, download the app DEPSTECH, and you're ready to go. Its high compatibility makes it a versatile gadget and incredibly user-friendly. Note: this USB endoscope camera cannot be connected to Android phone using an adapter. It is not compatible with Android phone. Pro-grade endoscopic precision engineered to meet the rigorous demands of professionals. Our endoscope camera boasts a slender 7mm 0.8 inches lens that effortlessly navigates tight spaces, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. It's a must-have gadget for DIY enthusiasts, plumbers, automotive technicians, and mechanics. Flexibility meets waterproof reliability with a flexible 16.4 feet cable. This NTC53 Snake camera adapts effortlessly to complex tasks. Featuring an IP67 waterproof rating, it excels in challenging environments. Whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, this tool delivers exceptional performance and reliability, making it an absolutely invaluable addition to your toolkit. Rugged design and premium support crafted for durability. Our inspection camera is a reliable workhorse that thrives in demanding environments. Backed by our premium support, it's the preferred choice for professionals who demand superior quality. Accessories like hooks and magnets are included, making it a comprehensive gadget for all your inspection needs.